It will be, of course, available in North America. We are still trying to understand how many units we can get for the market, but it will come somewhere at the beginning of next year. But we'll start at the end of this year to start the orders and etc. So the bike is a 1000cc engine, same engine that we see on the Brutale 1000RR. With few modification, it can go up to 212, 210 horsepower. It's completely carbon fiber made. And the exercise here was to perfectly match style and engineering, because each different piece of carbon fiber is not only forged, but the fiber and the lamination of the fiber has been composed to reduce the thickness where it's non-functional, increase the thickness where it's functional. We have aluminum alloy rims, spokes on the with spokes in the back, and Alcantara seat, an amazing titanium exhaust. It's just beautiful. So, yeah, if you have any other further, yeah, you do. Super Veloce 1000, SV1000, and every time we launch a new model, we do the Serie Oro, which means Gold Series. So it's a limited number of the first launch production, which assemble key characteristic, and then after, when there is, let's say, the mass production, some of the key features will be gone, like maybe less carbon fiber, different, it will be different.